Hello everyone. So you would like to understand the difference between a de jure title and what actually is in the game and what is going on in the world. So the biggest example that I do is usually Spain. For example, right now is the territory is divided and there is a Muslim conquest. There is this guy that wants to conquer all of Spain. But the idea of a unified Spain still exists in the world. So de jure, the guy that successfully claims the Empire of Spain, owns all of this territory. And same for other concepts, for other things. For example, de jure means the historical boundaries of territory. For example, this is my primary title, and right now, inside the world, this title gets you basically all of these things under you. It's pretty massive, but it gets you quite a lot of things, quite a lot of territory. But de jure, which is the historically and culturally, this title only has this place. So this is the difference. One is the historical boundaries, the historical context and cultural, and the other one is the actual thing that is going on in the world. And this is a really useful concept to understand inside the game, because you can press wars and it creates problems with inheritances and so on. You can usurp titles from others, and it is a concept that you need to understand, the difference between those two. One is the historical context and the historical territory, and the cultural one, and the other one is what is actually going on. To see the de jure, which is the historical one, you just have to click on the titles here on the top here, for example, and that's it. And all of these are all de jure. Click above, you see the kingdoms, and for example, even above, the empires. While if you click on for example, the characters, you mostly see the primary title and everything under it. So I hope you like this video. Leave a comment below, subscribe, and see you next time.